Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any photo into a custom frame in Canva. So did you know that you can turn any photo into a custom frame in Canva? And here I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. You can just open a blank canvas or open your design in Canva and then head to apps. Click on the apps menu in here. Then just search for the frame maker. And you can just click on this apps. Here you can create custom frames and image masks in Canva. You can transfer your Canva design into frame or image mask. Click on open. So in here you can go to you can click on create or convert. Here I'm going to just click on convert and then click on frame in here. You can just drag and drop images. If you want to create a custom frame based on image, or you can also use this one and adjust or create the the frame based on your needs. And after you're done, you can just click on add to design, and just like that, the frame will be added to your design. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.